Did you know that people who use yoga and meditation are more likely to quit smoking for good? These ancient practices have been shown to significantly reduce stress and anxiety, which are often triggers for smoking. It's true. These practices can help you find strength, peace, and control over your cravings. By focusing on your breath and being present in the moment, you can overcome the urge to smoke. Imagine a life free from cigarettes. Picture yourself waking up each morning with a clear mind and a healthy body. You can breathe easier, have more energy, and feel healthier overall. Your senses will be sharper, and you'll have a renewed zest for life. Yoga and meditation can help you get there. They offer a holistic approach to improving your physical and mental well-being. Taking that first step towards quitting smoking is brave. It shows your commitment to a healthier lifestyle and a brighter future. You're ready for a positive change, and yoga and meditation can support you every step of the way. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and watch as your life transforms for the better. Yoga is a gentle way to move your body and calm your mind. It offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life, providing a moment to reconnect with yourself. Certain poses can be especially helpful when you're quitting smoking. These poses not only help in managing cravings, but also in reducing the stress and anxiety that often accompany the process. Cat-cow pose helps you connect with your breath. This simple yet effective movement can be a powerful tool in your journey to quit smoking. Inhale as you arch your back. Exhale as you round it like a cat. This rhythmic breathing can help you find a sense of calm and control. Deep lunges release tension in your hips, which can build up from stress. This pose also strengthens your legs and improves your overall flexibility. Step forward, bend your knees, and breathe deeply. Feel the stretch and let go of any tension you might be holding onto. Legs up the wall. Pose is calming. It's a restorative pose that can help you unwind after a long day. Lie down with your legs up against a wall. This position allows your body to relax and your mind to settle. This helps reduce anxiety and improve circulation. It's a simple yet effective way to promote overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body. Start slowly and gently. Pay attention to how each pose makes you feel and adjust as needed. Every breath you take during yoga is a step towards a smoke-free you. Embrace the journey and let yoga be your guide to a healthier, smoke-free life. Meditation helps quiet the mind and manage cravings. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe in and out. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Try a guided meditation specifically for quitting smoking. You can find many online or through apps. Meditation takes practice, but even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Many people have found freedom from smoking through yoga and meditation. These practices offer a holistic approach to breaking free from addiction, focusing on both the mind and body. Their stories are truly inspiring. Each person has a unique journey, but they all share a common goal: to live a healthier, smoke-free life. I used to smoke a pack a day, says Sarah, who quit with the help of yoga. She found that the physical postures and breathing exercises helped her manage her cravings. Now I crave yoga instead of cigarettes. It's amazing. Sarah's transformation is a testament to the power of consistent practice and determination. John, a former smoker, shares, "I never thought I could quit, but meditation gave me the strength I needed." Meditation helped me deal with the stress of quitting. It provided a space for me to reflect and find inner peace. I learned to observe my cravings without giving in. This mindfulness practice was crucial in my journey to quit smoking. These stories show that change is possible. With the right support and tools, anyone can overcome their addiction. You are not alone on this journey. Together, we can achieve a healthier, smoke-free future. Stress is a major trigger for smoking. Yoga and meditation help you manage stress in healthy ways. When you feel stressed, just take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, exhale fully. This simple practice can calm your nervous system. Make time for yoga and meditation each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. These practices are gifts you give yourself. Remember, you are strong and capable. You can quit smoking and live a healthier, happier life. Quitting smoking is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate your successes no matter how small. And if you slip up, don't give up. Every new day is a fresh start. Yoga and meditation are powerful tools to help you quit smoking and live a healthier, happier life. Keep practicing, keep breathing, and keep believing in yourself. Your journey to freedom starts with a single breath.